Angel number 21 is a sign from your angels of advancement and success. Angel number 21 is all about unity, fulfillment, and happiness. When you see angel number 21 appear in your experience, it is an auspicious sign from your angels that you are on the verge of manifesting your desires on a large scale. There are many ways that you may see angel number 21 pop up in your daily experience. It could appear in a time, a date, monetary transactions, on license plates, and even as the number of messages on your phone. Seeing number 21 in your daily life could be a sign from your guardian angels to put your trust in them and keep your thoughts positive. And you will be able to manifest your desires in every aspect of your life. The meaning of angel number 21. Angel number 21 derives its meaning from combining the two single digits from which it is made. The vibrational essence of number 2 resonates with qualities like duality, cooperation, and diplomacy. Number 2 is the number of selflessness and partnership and is all about handling relationships. Number 1, on the other hand, is the number that resonates with leadership qualities such as originality, independence, and achievement. Number 1 is the number of positivity, optimism, and mastery over the material circumstances of life. Combining these numbers can bring several possible meanings. When 2 and 1 come together, it could indicate unity and togetherness. Or important relationships, either personal or professional, from which you derive a sense of meaning and purpose. Keep your thoughts positive and your heart open to the guidance of your angels. And your life will reflect the energy and versatility associated with both 2 and 1. The spiritual meaning of angel number 21. Another way to look at number 21 is as an expression of root number 3. We arrive at root number 3 by adding the individual digits that make up 21, 2 plus 1 equals 3. Root number 3 resonates with the vibration of creativity and completion. Seeing angel number 21 is an indication from your angels that you are able to create and manifest outcomes at a high level. Angel number 2, the 1st of May, also be an indication that your life is heading in new and positive directions having to do with teamwork or a creative collaboration of some kind. Whether this creative collaboration is in your personal or professional life, it is sure to be rewarding and fulfilling, bringing you and your partner a great deal of happiness. Have you been asking for guidance or praying for a sign? Your prayers and thoughts are listened, always. The universe is always responding to you, every single time, with no exception. Open your heart and let those messages come to you. Independence. Do you often rely on your friends and family and wait for them to solve your problems? If so, then this is the reason why you have been seeing 21 angel number lately. This number is a symbol of independence. The angels are telling you that you have to start relying on yourself, start being independent. Sooner or later you will discover that the only person who is responsible for your actions and who can solve your problems is you. You can find this out either in a good or bad way. Either when your friends can no longer fix your problems, or you can realize this before and start taking full responsibility for your life. In this way, you will not compromise the relationship you have with your friends. Yes, your family and friends will stand by your side and help you. But when that is not possible, you will have to be able to handle problems by yourself. Feelings. One possible meaning for why you are seeing angel number 21 is related to your love relationship. Guardian angel 21 is a warning from the divine to start paying more attention to your partner's feelings. Being in a relationship is about sharing and living together, experiencing life with someone you love. Being in a relationship means also that you include each other in your plans. You care about what your partner is feeling and thinking. The angels want you to remember the reasons why you started the relationship and to take into consideration that now isn't anymore about me, it is about us. Make plans together and decide what is best for both of you, without hurting one or the other feelings. Relationships are not easy but are beautiful and challenging. Sometimes you have to make compromises so that you are both happy and fulfilled in the relationship. Encouragement. We all need encouragement and support while we are facing setbacks. While we are reaching towards our goals, or simply in your day-to-day activities. Angel number 21 is speaking about support and encouragement in a relationship. Loving your partner is more than laugh, joy, and butterflies, is about supporting each other's goals. Encouraging when times get tough. Pushing each other to become the best version of them is an expression of love. We all want to have this kind of relationship, where we are evolving in the person we were meant to be, together with our partner. This is the message that the angels want you to receive. Communicate with your partner and take your relationship to the next level, from great to extraordinary. The first step has been taken, you asked for help. Second, the angels have responded to you, and now the tired step is for you to follow their words. You know better your struggles and desires. Take the messages that are suitable for your situation. Every person is different and unique. Every person has different experiences based on their own beliefs about the world. Open your eyes and heart and let yourself be guided by the divine. Embrace the abundance and support you are being given.
If you want to uncover what has been encoded in your destiny when you were born, there's a free, personalized numerology report you can grab here.